Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Zombie fungus is everywhere. So you may have heard tales of ants, bees, spiders, crickets, caterpillars, all that are attacked by parasites, which turns them into mindless zombie creatures that then help the parasite to infect other organisms. Well, you know fruit flies, Drosophila, you may have seen them in FOTD 291 and about how they ruin wine. Well, they are now victims to these attacks as well. Well, they would have been for ages, but we've just found out more stuff about them now. So they're also a victim of the zombie fungus, and it could be happening in your own back garden. The great news is that we know so much about the fruit fly that discovering this fungus and knowing what we know about the fruit fly helps us to understand its MO, its modus operandi. So this could lead eventually to treatments for things like Alzheimer's. The charge is being led by Carolyn Elya and her team at the University of Berkeley in California. The fungus is Entomophthora Muscae, and it kills off the fruit fly within 4 to 7 days. The flies appear perfectly normal until their last day, and then they just can't fly. So then they start to walk up any vertical object that they come across, and they extend their proboscis, which is their feeding tube, and they use it to stick to the surface of whatever they're on. Then their wings slowly spread out in a death pose. It takes about 10 minutes for them to fully extend, and all the flies end up in this death pose, stuck to whatever surface they're on. Just before sunset, they die like this. Then the fungus sprouts from their bodies, and about 5 hours after sunset, it starts launching spores at 9 meters a second into the air, which can then infect other fruit flies. So how is this different from the cordyceps fungus that attacks the ants? The cordyceps actually envelops the muscle fibers and takes control of the ants' bodies like it's a puppet, whereas this fungus, it attacks the brain and it releases chemicals into the brain. Within different fruit flies, different areas of the brain are attacked, and they all release the same chemicals, so it's thought that the chemicals are the things that alter the behaviour. So how do we know we don't have fungi controlling our brains right now? Like making us do a fact of the day every single day for 1,000 days. That is zombie funguses everywhere. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye, love you, bye, love you, bye.